Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable stories comments on your Instagram profile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First thing first, open Instagram and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this page. Now, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down till you find Comments options and tap on it. Here you can see new section called Who Can Comment. Choose stories where you can enable or disable story comments. You can choose who can comment on your story. Everyone. That means that everyone on Instagram can comment on your stories. Also, you can choose that people you follow can comment on your stories. And you can disable comments on your stories. Choose off to disable comments. There you have it. You successfully disabled comments on your stories. So that's basically how you can disable stories comments on your Instagram profile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.